Welcome to 2727 San Ramon in Rancho Palos Verdes. This might actually be one of the best deals in Palos Verdes right now. This charming one-level home sits on nearly an acre of land and has absolutely incredible ocean, harbor, coastline, and city light views. You're getting 4 bedrooms, over 2,000 square feet, privacy, usable land, and a view that most buyers have to spend well over $2 million to get. And here's what makes this property so special. Homes in this price range usually require compromise, but this one gives you space, charm, and a huge upside potential. At $1,699,000, it's arguably one of the strongest values currently on the market in Palos Verdes right now.